Let's go. Happy Wednesday. We got Jerome Powell round 2 coming up. Actually, it's not too late to go and watch the YouTube video if you need to know what the plan is. I think the only thing different is, just kind of paying attention to this fucker right here. As we had all of that thing, so could get that, could get that. And then we're going to correlate to the gammas. Let's get it. Theoretically, yes, Madi, but you got to go back and check. The only thing that I would say is that it's guaranteed volatility. If you go back, you'll actually notice that CPI and PPI are both set up for FOMC. So, like, all of these are kind of lead-ups, right? Jerome Powell's, all this testimony shit is leading up and prepping for CPI, PPI. CPI and PPI is going to prep for FOMC. Yeah, so it's hard to tell because sometimes they'll use the CPI and PPI day to set up and bait people for FOMC, Madi. People, like, sometimes they'll scam pump it, and then they dump it on FOMC. So you want to go back and take a look at how they did all the previous ones. There's definitely different ways they do it, Madi. The first time, it looked really bearish, like in March or April or some shit. It was a dump. On other times, it was just a debate for FOMC, and the real organic move happened on FOMC when it was actually confirmed that the rate hike was going to happen. Yeah, so CPI and PPI, people are still betting on if it's going to happen or if it's not, so that kind of causes a little bit of a clusterfuck. So if you go back and look, the ones that were more obvious that it was going to be dumpish, it was kind of trappy, as the markets always do. So take a look at the previous FOMC and the CPI and PPIs, especially the months when they were talking about an increase in rate hike. Here we go. Come on. You got, oh snap, Dizzle for shizzle, let's go! Okay, it's try hard pants on, You guys ready? It's time to put those try hard pants on, y'all. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go, get nasty with it. All right, let's stay focused on every little thing. We got Jerome Powell in 5 minutes. Oh, he's gonna start pretty soon. Okay, here we go. SMPP, Bitcoinia. What do you want to do, SMP? What's the bet, SMP? Hey, give it up for the 3980 Gamma. Ooh, he hasn't even started talking. Y'all. Ooh, wee. Give it up for the Gammas. Oh, shit. Look, hey, this is crazy though, right? Let's get it. We already know what it is. Okay, well, so far we have broken the 3980. What's it gonna be? Bitcoinia! Oh, snap diddly, is it gonna be a scam pump first? Jerome Powell hasn't even started talking yet. Snap diddly fo shiddly. This is retail right now, figuring out what to do. No, it's gonna scam pump. No, wait, it's gonna scam dump. Fuck, close, market close. No, flip flop. Not financial advice, but if I was going to take a shot and I was going to gamble, this might be like a short. I'm not going to take it though. I'm still hoping it comes back here or lower. You guys see this, right? Look for the bounce on the golden pocket. If it's gonna actually be bullish, it should bounce here. Not financial advice. I'm not doing it. I'm waiting for my levels. You know, but you would be watching the golden pocket here. Theoretically, you would see a bounce if it's bullish. So you wouldn't, if you're in a long, you don't want to lose that. So if this is bullish, that golden pocket should not get lost. I'm not saying that it's going to go here. I'm not saying that it's going to bounce. All I'm saying that if this is bullish, this will hold. So let's see. Hold on. Hey, I got to mute this for a second. 39.50 and then POC would be great confluence. I'm looking at 39.50 and POC confluence. If Bitcoin really is bullish, if all these bull divs are going to work, if it's some sort of like harmonic, this is going to bounce. So I'm not saying that it's going to go here. I'm not saying that it's going to break, but if it's bullish, this has to hold the golden pocket. I don't think it would, but 39.50 and POC confluence would be really strong. All right.
Later that same evening.
All right, here we go. Golden pocket. We waited for this. Not only did we wait for this, I drew it like this. Snap diddly for shitty. Let's go. It's not too hard. It just takes patience. All right, let's see what the reaction is. Bulls, you can't lose this golden pocket. Hey, this shit is boring, but in terms of the TA, it's not too bad, right? We talked about possibly shorting up here. I drew that 4,000 was resistance. We're waiting for the golden pocket. Now let's see what the reaction is. Now, you know what I'm thinking about right now while I lettuce? I'm starting to figure out how I'm going to finesse the timing. You know what I mean? Because we got Macaulay Culkin. And so, am I going to be afforded an opportunity during a Macaulay Culkin scam dump for a bull div on a higher time frame, or do I need to take a swing failure? Right? Again, we don't know if that golden pocket is going to break, but now will be the time to start really thinking about, do you want to put in blind limits, right? Depending on how close 39.50 gets. If we're getting close to 39.50, then it might be a swing fail. I might not be afforded an edge. And so, you know, like right now, that's all I'm thinking about. I'm trying to think, okay, we got, you know, a couple hours left. There's a Macaulay Culkin. There's the Gamma at 39.50. So depending on what time it is and what price it's at, I need to figure out if I want to get in before Macaulay Culkin or before, and if I want to wait for the edge or if I want to blindly limit because I'm looking for like a swing fail. And you got to start thinking about that now. So that's what I'm doing right now as I enjoy the lettuce. Okay, snap diddly, let's go. Come on, Kimba gang. Where's that? Give us a bearish retest. Let's go. Let us up. Green everything except for the candle. Green positions, green lettuce. Let's go. Snap diddly, let's go. And it doesn't have to, but you know we would love a bearish retest. Hey, how funny would it be if they just rush it down to like 39.50 like in the last 10-15 minutes? I swear to fucking God, man. So, hey, we got plenty of time. We got bearish retest left and right. POC bearish retest left and right. Woo! Oh my God, please do a bearish retest. I'm trying to let us up right now. Let me at least two-factor everything. Let me log into everything real quick so I can be ready. Ooh, boys, I'm logging in on the two-factor. There's got to be a bearish retest because this is doing it without S&P. Levels are levels, baby. Oh, snap, dizzle for shizzle. Oh my God. Come on, do a bearish retest so I can go let us up. Do a bearish retest so I can let us up. There's going to be, is the stochastic need to reset? Stochastic is going to reset. It's going to do a bearish retest. I'm going to go let us up. This is the one time I have a chance to let us up right now. Let's let the stochastic reset. If S&P was dumping, then I wouldn't leave, but stochastic is gonna reset. Bearish retest, por favor. Bearish retest, por favor. Hopefully we can get down here and we'll see a reaction together. Snap, dizzle, for shizzle. All right, we're gonna put our try-hard pants on. You guys ready? Maybe I jinxed it. But hey, try-hard pants on. Let's go. You guys ready? All right. Patience, planning, execution. Let's hold each other's hands. All right, 12 minutes left. 12 minutes left of Macaulay. Quick little poop. All right, you guys, love you guys, man. We've been prepping and talking about it all day. So at this point, right, everybody Gucci? Let's see what we got, ladies and gentlemen. 11 minutes left on Macaulay Culkin. 11 minutes left on Macaulay Culkin. Could it do it? That's a really nice bearish retest. Shout out bearish retest, right? All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Hold on. We got to complete the whole experience, ladies and gentlemen. Let me trigger the emotions. Oh, snap diddly. Come on. Let's go. Let's get nasty, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Oh, okay. Where is the edge? Don't take it. Wait. Snap diddly. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. All right, 5 minutes. It's back above it. Snap dizzle for shizzle. All right, actually, I'm sorry. Do you, baby. Do you. Do whatever you want to do. The level got hit. Let's get it. We actually got the level, you guys. All right. Let's stay focused. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, Kevin's parents are coming back in 60 seconds. They did it during Macaulay. Hey, how funny would it be if they just rush it down to like 39.50 like in the last 10-15 minutes? I swear to fucking God, man. 60 seconds. Kevin's parents are coming back in 60 seconds, y'all. They did it during Macaulay. There you go. That was a Macaulay. They did it last minute, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, broke golden pocket. Broke the first golden pocket. No edge still. Still no edge. 1 minute candles. These are 1 minute candles, by the way. So at the end of the day, 5, 15 minute is probably what you want. S&P's got to do its thing. Still no CVD divs anywhere. No edge. That's gonna be my 1, 2, 3, 4, I think, and I'll put my stop loss right there. Okay. Alrighty, but just because this is something that we anticipated, since Friday. So, and if you remember, even if we're wrong on this, if it starts to go, I'll eventually just start moving my stop loss to behind the 382 and 05, right? Even if it's for Bitcoin, I'm gonna just try to do the right thing. So, like I said, as with every local top, as soon as I feel like a local top is, I'm gonna start to pull the fib and see, and I might move all of this to right there. Oh. Pixel. I just got that one filled. And you know what's cool about the way that the 1, 2, 3, 4 works is like I'm like already green. Well, actually, it doesn't look. But like, look at the way that my entry. Look at the way that my entry is helping me. But it's not that bad. That's why we do the 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys already know where my stop loss is. You guys already know where my entries are. I've shown it. We've talked about it. So it's one of those things where, and if I get stopped out, and if I'm gonna re-enter, and if I'm awake, I'll put it on the Discord. Yeah. 99% of us, unless you're consciously going to be okay with taking like a couple $100 loss or something because you want to risk not getting stopped out. But for the most part, we can't lose, right? All right. So, I'm rooting for each and every one of you guys. Do your best. It doesn't matter if you get stopped out and you miss out on the juice. It doesn't matter if you took a little bit of an L today. It doesn't matter if you're shorting right now. I'm rooting for each and every one of you guys. Do your best. All right. I love you guys, man. I'm rooting for each and every one of you guys. Have a great night. Stay safe. All right, and if anything changes, I'll update in the Discord. All right, as long as I'm awake. So, love you guys. I'll see you guys in the Discord. I'll see you guys in 9 hours. Peace, everybody.
Listen up, you. Oh, it's the truth I speak. Kimbit is my name, trading is my game. Be cool is my focus, charge all my guide. Profit is my goal, so I never step aside. It is just mathematics, a few trading tactics. Fibonacci is my mate, golden ratio on my mind. You got to respect the trend, or you'll be left behind.